Oh, hey, YouTube. I'll be doing salt challenge, salt eating challenge. Um, what I'm gonna be doing is I filled the whole spoon up. I might put a little bit more because I like a wimp, you know. I'm gonna put a lot more left because I know it feels like a wimp with a small amount of salt. So I put, as you can see the salt at the top. So I'm gonna swallow the whole thing. I think some fell. It's okay, someone's gonna fall anyways. You need to count down for this one. Just wish me luck. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Mm. Ah! Ah! Ow! Ah! 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 Fucking nasty. Ugh. Fucking nasty ass shit. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah, got that. Yeah. Liz, I got you with that.
Nasty ass shit, man. Fucking worst shit I could ever do. Alright, so that's probably the first thing I can do right now. There's still salt in from the bowl, as you can tell. Y'all can comment if y'all want me to do that, the salt and water. I just mix it. I'll do this one, but next time, if I get a certain amount of likes, or a certain amount of comments, something like that, I'll mix the salt with the water, mix it, and drink it. Okay? So, the first video I made, I was letting y'all know I'm starting doing stuff like this. I didn't get no comments, no likes, anything, but, you know, it's the first day, you know, so I'm not really gonna get anything. So, like I said, you know, just comment the video, and then the first one, I actually put my, description and everything like that in there, for, Facebook and YouTube, I mean, not YouTube, my Facebook and Twitter on there, so, be sure to like and subscribe to this, and send me more stuff on there. comment some stuff on there. No one told me to do this one. I actually did it myself. So, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.